Hello children, welcome back to your geography class. In this session, we will continue chapter 5 under the heading Cotton Textile Industry. Now let's see page number 60 under the heading Ahmedabad. Let's know more about Ahmedabad. As you know, Ahmedabad is also known as Manchester of India. It is located in Gujarat on the bank of Sabarmati river, and in 1859 the first mill was established. It soon became the second largest textile city of India after Mumbai. Ahmedabad was therefore often referred to as the Manchester of India. Just now I have told you. Favorable locational factors. Favorable locational factors means for what? For cotton textile mills were responsible for the development of the textile industry in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is situated very close to cotton growing area. This is one of the favorable factor. This ensures easy availability of raw materials. Raw material is needed for the cotton textile mill, and the climate is ideal for spinning and weaving. Humid climate is needed is another factor. The flat terrain and easy availability. The land area is flat and easy availability of land is suitable for the establishment of the mills. The densely populated states of Gujarat and Maharashtra provide both skilled and semi-skilled labor. So labor is also easily provided, and this is another favorable factor. Well developed road and railway network permits easy transportation of textile to different parts of the country. This is also another most important factor, thus providing easy access to the market. Mumbai port nearby facilitates import of machinery and export of cotton textiles. Means all favorable conditions are there. But in the recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills have been having some problems. Several textile mills have closed down. This is primarily due to the emergence of new textile centers in the country, as well as non-upgradation of machines and technology in the mills of Ahmedabad. It was called the Manchester of India. Lekin recently what happened, most of the factories are shut down. Why? Because many other new factories they are established, and the another most important factor is they have not upgraded their machines and technology. इसीलिए बोलते हैं अपडेट करते रहना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. Children, just like Ahmedabad, in Osaka, which is situated in Japan, here also similar factors, favorable factors are there for the cotton textile mills. It is an important textile center of Japan and also known as the Manchester of Japan. The textile industry developed in Osaka due to several geographical factors like Ahmedabad. The extensive plain is needed to establish the plants. Mills or factories around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm humid climate, just like Ahmedabad, is available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. The river Yodo, here is river Yodo, and in Ahmedabad we have seen Sabarmati river. So the river Yodo provides sufficient water for the mills. Labor is easily available, just like Ahmedabad. Location of port facilities, import of raw cotton, and for exporting textiles means import of raw and export of the production goods that is easily available. The textile industry at Osaka depends completely upon imported raw materials. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China and USA. The finished product is mostly exported and has a good market due to good quality of low price. Though it is one of the important textile cities in the country, of late the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industries such as iron and steel, machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipment and cement. Means it is rises up. Children, how important the information technology is, it is proved during this corona period or the lockdown. Without information technology, your learning would have not been possible. You are getting your learning just because of this information technology. Your PDFs, your videos and everything, online classes, they are running just because of this information technology. So we should be thankful to it. Imagine how much could be accomplished if companies could operate on a 24-hour workday. Some software companies in the United States of America and in Bangalore, India have joined hands to achieve this. There are many ways in which this form of shift work across oceans. For example, two software professionals, Danny in Silicon Valley in California and Smita in Bangalore, are working on a joint project. Means they are working on a same project while Smita in Bangalore sleeps, because it is night when there is day in Silicon Valley, California. Here it is night in India. Danny in California is working. At the end of his working, he sends a message to Smita updating his progress. When she arrives at work in Bangalore, a couple of hours later, means within a few hours, she notices that a message awaits her. She gets to work on the project straight away. By the end of her workday, she relays results of her efforts back to California. By the way, communicate and work together. It is as if they were sitting in adjoining offices. So children, what did we see in this paragraph? All this is possible just because of information technology, that is also known as IT sector. The information technology industry deals in the storage, processing and distribution of information. Today this industry has become global. Global means worldwide. This is due to the series of technological, political and socio-economic events. The main factors guiding the location of these industries are resources availability, cost and infrastructure. The major hubs of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California and Bengaluru in India. Bengaluru is located on the Deccan Plateau, from where it gets the name Silicon Plateau. The city is known for its mild climate throughout the year. Mild climate means moderate. Silicon Valley is a part of Santa Clara Valley located next the Rocky Mountains of North America. The area has temperate climate with the temperature rarely dropping below 0 degrees centigrade. The locational advantages of the Silicon Plateau, Bengaluru and Silicon Valley, California are discussed on the next page. You may notice the similarities between the two cities. Children, Bengaluru has always had a unique advantages as a city with highest availability of middle and top management talent, but there are other emerging information technology hubs in metropolitan centers of India such as Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Other cities such as Gurgaon, Pune, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi and Chandigarh are also important centers of the IT industry. Children, the captions which are given on page number 62, by these captions we will come to know more about Bengaluru, why it became the hub or the Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru has the largest number of educational institutions and IT colleges in India. The city was considered dust free with low rents and low cost of living. The state government of Karnataka was the first to announce an IT policy in 1992. The city has the largest and widest availability of skilled managers with work experience and close to some of the most advanced scientific and technological centers in the world. It is pleasant climate with an attractive and a clean environment, plenty of space for development of and future expansion, located close to major roads and airports, and good access to market and skilled workforce. So these all advantages makes the Bengaluru Silicon Valley of India.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.